Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most exciting and innovative apps out there. Today, we have something truly special lined up for you. We'll be diving deep into the Cognise AI Art Generator Mod APK version 2.1.11. If you're passionate about art and technology, this video is a must-watch. So, grab your creativity hat and let's get started. Overview of the app. Cognise AI Art Generator is a revolutionary app that bridges the gap between technology and creativity. Whether you're an amateur artist or a seasoned professional, this app offers a treasure trove of features that will inspire and elevate your art-making process. The app uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to transform simple concepts into mesmerizing artwork with just a few taps. Mod features now. Let's talk about the modded features in this special version. First off, you'll be delighted to know that the premium features are unlocked, giving you access to exclusive tools without any subscription fees. Forget about those pesky ads that disrupt your creative flow, because this version has all ads removed, ensuring a seamless and immersive experience. All features, including the ones typically reserved for premium users, are now accessible. But that's not all. You get unlimited generate unlocks, allowing you to create as many pieces as your heart desires. Plus, enjoy a smoother experience with all bugs and crashes fixed, and all debug info removed for optimal performance. What's more, this mod is fully supported on all devices, so no one misses out. User experience. Navigating through the app is intuitive and user-friendly, designed to make your creative process as smooth as possible. From vivid styles to surreal effects, the app packs a punch with its plethora of options, all easily adjustable with a few swipes and taps. Whether you want to generate abstract compositions or photorealistic images, the possibilities are virtually endless. The AI technology learns and adapts to your style, making each creation unique and personalized. Conclusion and call to action. In conclusion, the Cognise AI Art Generator Mod APK is not just an app, but a game changer in how we perceive and create art. It combines accessibility with high-end features to give you a robust tool right at your fingertips. So, what are you waiting for? Download the app now from the link in the description and let your imagination run wild. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the most exciting apps out there. Share this video with fellow art enthusiasts and support us in our journey to bring you quality content. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.